Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making chicken nuggets and coleslaw for my family, so let's get started. I'm making dinner for my whole family, which is 7 people, and I'm using 6 chicken breasts, so make sure you've made enough dinner for everyone you're cooking for. If you have frozen chicken, make sure to defrost it in advance. Wait until it's fully defrosted before using it. Depending on how many people you're making dinner for, grate your cabbage and your carrot. Add the carrot to the cabbage and start to cut up your onion as thin as possible. Then add your onions, a lot of mayonnaise and optional beetroot. Then add a little bit less than a tablespoon of mustard. To a large bowl, add 5 big tablespoons of plain flour. Add 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Add 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then add 4 teaspoons of onion powder. Then add 3 teaspoons of paprika. 1 tablespoon of salt. Add a little bit of pepper. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then try to cut the chicken into the same size and use this video for reference. It is very important to cut the chicken into the same size so all of it cooks evenly and the chicken is fully cooked all the way.